Ladies and gentlemen, we interrupt this program to bring you important news.
Guys, you ready for something very, very special? HFC, Gas, Mac11 Uzi. Absolutely incredible. Let me show you this now. In the box you get a very good manual, both in English and Chinese, as always. Good diagrams. Shows you actually also how the gun is made up, how to adjust it, and on the back the small Allen key to adjust settings if you want to. Comes ready to go. Let me show you it now. Absolutely incredible gun, really well made, so heavy. It's got plastic coating, but the internals are all metal. The silencer, mock silencer, is a mixture between plastic and metal. Very good quality, but we'll take that off for now. Magazine release. Good quality gas mag, all metal, really good. The gun has a very good metal rest, metal internal. You can see in there, the chamber, all metal, very, very, very good quality. Has full working safety just underneath here, which is actually a really good place to be. Switch on the side here is for full automatic or semi-automatic. So to set the spring, just pull that down and it will lock into position. Put your core on the top. It's got to be 0.20 bulldogs for this one. Pour them in. Just them go in. Really, really simple to do. Let me just fill up. See if I can show you that a bit better. Now when you load the mag, it's worth taking your time and jiggling them around to get rid of these gaps. Now let's put some gas into the mag. Here's a bottle. We have lots of different sizes on the website. This gun takes most gases. So, little bit at the bottom there, just slots in the top there and push down. Give it a couple of goes. You'll sort of hear it stop when it's full up. That's pretty good. Once your magazine is loaded and full up with gas, insert into the gun. Before you do, just make sure safety's on. You've got some protective goggles on, or glasses. Insert the mag. Now, to set the gun, first time just pull back, you'll see the BB line up in the chamber, just in there, and we're good to go. Put it on single shot, semi-automatic, set the safety off. Very, very good power. 370 feet per second. Let me tell you, it's definitely more than that. It's very, very good, very accurate. Let's try it with the silencer, mock silencer. This just extends the barrel, so it should make it more accurate. How cool does that look? Really, very, very good gun. Yeah, absolutely more accurate, very good. Here, I'm hitting that post, again about 10 meters away, that post. Very, very good. Let's try full automatic and let's empty out the mag. empties out so quick. That is absolutely awesome. There you go. That's the Mac11 Uzi from HFC. That's the gas version. Very, very good quality, with or without silencer. Very solid gun, very heavy, full metal gas mag. Take a look. Thanks for watching the video.